Wow, so guys, I just want to say exactly what I'm doing here. So basically in this video, I spent the whole video plugging my YouTube channel in ZR. I know, not a very original idea, everyone's done it, but I mean, come on, sub to Oz10 now. So yeah, basically I managed to win. Yeah.
SS sweaty noob, not even real SS. Stop! Stop! Go away, dude! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Why is everyone in the final circle on me?
Hello, this is a voiceover of just the parts that I didn't have my mic on for. Alright? Now my mic's gonna be on in a couple of seconds. I had a lot of fails before this. I only managed to catch 2 of them on camera. So those were the rages that you just saw. I'm just doing a voiceover for the parts that, you know, I didn't have my mic on for because, come on, there's gotta be, you know, entertainment, alright? Alright, now my mic's gonna turn on here in a second. I just gotta be ready for the mouse movements. Alright.
Welcome to cringy match number 75, where guess what? I don't win because I'm trash at the game. How much you want to bet I die? Because guess what? Everyone's better than me. Big surprise, everyone in Zombsroyale is a sweat, and everyone can door pump better than me, and everyone's better than me. Why do I even play the game, huh? Why? Because literally everyone is better than me. So why do I play? Exactly. Explain it to me, please, because I don't know. Oh yeah, because I have, what, 150 something solos? Oh yeah, give me a med kit. Don't give me a gun. Well, why would I want a gun? Bro, who wants guns? Like, bro, what kind of idiot would want a gun? Oh yeah, and guess what? My game practically crashes and everyone's sitting there and like, you're trash! My computer can't even handle the game, and they're sitting there, you're trash at the game! Oh my gosh, dude. Try and have my PC and then talk to me. If you can play insane on my PC while recording, then you can talk to me, and then you can scream in my face, you're bad! Just get better at the game! Then you can talk to me like that. But until you have more wins than me, on my computer, my exact model, the one that I've been using for 2 years. And why would you get rid of grenades, bro? Like, why make grenades completely useless now? Like, come on, grenades are completely useless. Don't even, like, pretend that they're useful now, because they're not. Yang just made them completely useless. Like, sure, I mean, they're still useful for moving players, because no one wants to get hit by a grenade. Yo, I need the range, though. That's my problem with, like, taking... Cringe. You see, look, that would have been 90 damage, and it would have been a nice play, too. Get off of me! The whole lobby should get off of me, please. I'm dead. I'm so freaking dead, dude. I'm so done. No one cares about me until the whole lobby's on me. Screw this, dude. I'm camping. I won't win. Bro! I swear. Am I just ahead of my ping? Like, am I just too advanced for my own ping? Or something? Alright, I'm camping. I don't care.
Camping voiceover. By the way, I hope you enjoyed the 1.5 minutes or something of just pure rage. Okay. You see, I had been recording for an excessively long time and had been dealing with the excess ping of having to record, or trying to record rather, and it was really starting to get to me. Because I didn't want to play like 10 more games just to get a win. I mean, I thought I was dead here because really, like, I I thought that the ball gun was gonna kill me. Like, I knew I could kill the guy. I just thought that the ball gun was gonna kill me. I'm gonna go back to. Oh yeah, door. I'm too advanced for my own ping. All right, back to epic. Just gameplay voiceover. Like I'm not gonna. I'm gonna act like I've already watched this and played the game, or no, I'm gonna act like I haven't played it. Yo, let's raid this house. Area 51. Open up. I mean, okay, there's a snake skin pushing me from up here. There's the guy in the house. What am I gonna do? I gotta keep moving down. Obviously, this man in the house is staying in there. I'm surprised he could have third partied and wrecked me. The sniper battle's getting pretty intense. Me not gonna pick up the bandages, considering that I have a heal gun. Bad decision on my part. Alright, come on. Let's move up. Let's go get this drop, boys. Let's go get this drop. Spinning. Epic. Yeah, I gotta get those mistakes. You gotta love it, bro. You gotta love the mistakes, alright? Someone gonna kill someone with a bolt action sniper in chat. Me going on this side, because I know that someone could be in the barn. And bop.
Okay, I'm going full focus mode, dude. I want this. You're dead too. Okay, this is called leaving. Come on, dude. We got this. That would have been so nice if I actually hit a trick shot. Oh, I won. Got him. Now they all have to subscribe. Right? Now they all have to subscribe because I won a game. There.